Are you looking for a townhouse in Barangay Holy Spirit, Quezon City? Malapit lang po siya sa Commonwealth Avenue and Don Antonio MRT-7 station. Here are the details of this townhouse. Tara po, let's check this house. Sa entrance po, meron po tayong 2-car garage na naka-tile finish. So here po ang ating living area, ang ating dining area, and our kitchen. Tara, let's check the second floor. Here is our spacious master's bedroom na kasyang-kasya ang king-size bed. Meron po itong balcony, at may sariling toilet and bath with shower enclosure. So here is our second bedroom. Meron din po itong small balcony at may sariling toilet and bath. On the third floor, meron po tayong family area. Then lastly, this is our third bedroom. Spacious po itong third bedroom because it can accommodate even a king-size bed. Meron din po itong sariling toilet and bath na may shower enclosure. We hope you like this townhouse. For further inquiries, please contact us at 0977-859-0581. Thank you very much and God bless po sa ating lahat.